Well, Baltimore couple's discrimination lawsuit against an appraiser and lender for devaluing their home because they are black has gained the attention of the U.S. Justice Department.
Yeah, the lawsuit claims the appraiser and lender both violated the Fair Housing Act and the Equal Credit Opportunity Act in denying the couple's refinancing application based on that low appraisal. WMAR 2 News' Mark Roper is live outside of Johns Hopkins University in North Baltimore, where the couple both work as professors. So, Mark, what can you tell us about this case?
Good morning, Megan and Randall. Well, these two professors are experts in their fields of study of history, racism, capitalism, and politics, but they never expected to find themselves at the crossroads where all of those issues intersect. Well, Johns Hopkins professors Dr. Nathan Connolly and his wife, Dr. Shawnee Mott, had invested thousands of dollars fixing up their home, and they were looking to refinance it to lower their interest rate. State of Maryland tax assessment for their house taxed it at a value of more than $600,000, but when they got an appraisal to refinance, the appraiser came back with a value of only $472,000, about a $130,000 difference. The couple claimed the appraiser, Sean Lanham, with 2020 valuations, significantly undervalued their home because they are black. So they decided to get a second opinion, but this time they whitewashed their home, removing any evidence that a black family lived there, including removing themselves from the picture. They had a white colleague meet with their appraiser instead, and then a few days later, the new assessment for their home came in at $750,000, nearly 60% higher than the original appraisal. They say they told their lender, LoanDepot.com, that the appraisal was discriminatory, but LoanDepot still denied them the loan.
We had made investments in the house that exceeded, $30,000. We had seen the market on a steady uptick, and we had a baseline amount that was labeled as pretty conservative. When the number came back at $472,000,
my jaw dropped.
Right.
I was like, this is racism.
Right.
Because we had done the research.
Right.
The United States Attorney for the District of Maryland, the Justice Department Civil Rights Division, and the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau all have an interest in this case, and that's because federal law prohibits discrimination in housing on the basis of race, color, religion, sex, having one or more children under the age of 18, national origin, or disability, and creditors are prohibited from discriminating against credit applicants on the basis of race, color, religion, national origin, sex, marital status, or age. Now, the Department of Justice says that LoanDepot has tried to have this case dismissed, but that case is still pending before the court. Reporting live in North Baltimore, Mark Roper, WMAR 2 News.
All right, thank you, Mark. And we're putting the issue of race